Alright then, just taking a quick look at Dogecoin then on our daily time frame here for another daily update on the channel. Before we begin, as you can see on screen, make sure you go down below and grab yourself some amazing deals from our partners. Tons of free money on offer, so sign up below and get involved. As you can see, really good way to make some money, even in the direst of markets right now for altcoins. So taking a look at Dogecoin here, as we can see, in a little bit of a mess, to be honest. Altcoins in general looking pretty messy at the minute. Dogecoin was looking very promising and clean in this cycle. One of the cleanest, I would say, cryptos that you could look at. You can see my analysis here. It's very simple. You've got your bear market range, you've got your impulse, your retest of the range, your impulse, and then you come back, you're retesting into these previous levels. And I was expecting a very clean move up towards that $1 area, which seemed entirely likely, to be honest, for Dogecoin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the upside. It's still possible from this area, but obviously with the market looking like it is, it's becoming less and less likely that we're going to get that anytime soon. You can see Dogecoin here really ever since we had the Trump pump. Dogecoin was already moving, and then we got the Trump pump followed by the tariff dump. We come down here. We're obviously looking like we're kind of starting to scoop to the upside, and then we got that huge liquidation cascade on Friday the 10th of October. We come all the way down here, liquidate everyone out of their Dogecoin longs, as you can see. And then since then, you can see Dogecoin basically has just been retracing in line with Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been basically looking like it's come down into a very key area of support. The 618 Fibonacci pull of this local area, and also in a daily and weekly fair value gap right now, which I think will be pretty strong support, to be honest. Also, we're around 30% retraced from the all-time high, which I think is generally when people start to get in a big way. And right now, if you look at Dogecoin, you can see basically we're just getting retraced because the altcoin space is looking quite bearish because of what Bitcoin's been doing. Very simple stuff. You can see here Dogecoin is basically just come down, come back up, created this huge daily fair value gap, rejected it 3 times, came down below this obvious area of liquidity here, came down, came back up. We couldn't break back above this daily fair value gap here, created again, come down, made another new swing low, and we've just been kind of grinding to the downside here because Bitcoin is doing its best to dump the markets. But I think because of all the liquidity that's been swept from below, instead of knifing to the downside here, we're kind of just, if you look at Bitcoin here, you can see this is much more dramatic looking price action. Whereas for your altcoins, because of that massive wick, we're basically just looking like we're grinding to the downside, and we're waiting for Bitcoin to bounce. I think it's quite likely Bitcoin bounces in this area. But if we go lower, then obviously altcoins are going to keep grinding down. This is all down to Bitcoin, whether or not it bounces at this area. And it's going to be interesting to see how we do for the rest of the week. Because right now, Bitcoin is looking like it wants to bounce here. But we could see lower prices. As always, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates. And get some free money in the description below. Cheers.